Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can disable TalkBack mode on OPPO A60. If you have this information in the middle of the screen, this probably means that you are in the TalkBack mode. The easiest way to disable the TalkBack is by using both volume buttons. So we need to press and hold volume up and volume down button for 3 seconds. So press and hold.
TalkBack off.
And eventually the TalkBack mode will be disabled. But let's pretend that you don't have this information for some reason and you are still in the TalkBack mode. So in order to do that, we need to head to the settings in order to go to the TalkBack settings. So use your 2 fingers in order to swipe and go to settings. You can tap on settings icon once and then double tap in order to enter the settings. You can scroll by using 2 fingers as well, so use both fingers to scroll. And you need to find additional settings, tap on it once and then double tap to enter. Now over here, go to accessibility, so once again tap once and then twice. Now over here we can tap on vision category, tap twice, tap on TalkBack and tap twice. Now tap on the slider once, tap twice. Select stop, so tap stop and then tap twice. And this should also work. Of course, if you have the option to use the volume buttons, then do just that. In case it doesn't work for you, then this is how you can do that as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!